Hi. So firstly, I would like to thank you for your comment because you have reminded me that I had promised you guys some food socks content which I have not yet posted on YouTube. I have started my cooking show, however, up until now I've only posted fast forward movies, whereby today I will do an official cooking show with chicken vegetable soup from the food socks. People have mentioned to me in that video that I am able to affiliate for food socks, which I have done research about, and it's true. However, right now I am not able because I have to pay 5,500 Rand just for the starter pack of products to sell. Anyway, so what I got for today's chicken soup, I bought 2 brown breads off of Pick n Pay because they were on special for 15 bucks each. And I got a loaf of bread. Ouch, overdraft. Anyway, so I actually bought this not thinking about the food sock soup that I have. So this will be going into a cupboard for another time's use. Is creamy mushroom, spinach and feta. And then I also got like a soup pack, which all of this I am going to grate and cook up along with some, oh, they didn't send it. Okay, it seems like we are making vegetable soup. I have mushrooms and I also bought this. So I am gonna have to do without the chicken because it seems like they did not have chicken soup packs in stock. I'm sad now. But anyway, stay tuned. I will make the content today and post it by tomorrow morning latest. Thank you very much and I love you.